Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Impala key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your car battery is in good condition. Then, locate the diagnostic port, which is usually found under the driver's side dashboard. This preparation ensures a smooth programming process. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on the driver's side door panel. While holding this button, quickly turn the ignition key from on to off 2 times. This sequence prepares your vehicle for fob programming. Now, release the driver's door unlock button. You should hear the doors lock and then unlock, indicating the vehicle is in programming mode. Take your first new key fob and simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons. Continue holding these buttons for approximately 15 seconds until the doors lock and unlock once more. If you have more key fobs to program, repeat the previous step for each one. Once all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the off position to exit programming mode. Remove the key and test all your newly programmed fobs to ensure they function correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.